Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting both tools ready. Open Chrome and your call in separate windows so you can switch without disrupting audio. Grant microphone and camera permissions and make sure the correct input/output devices are selected. This prevents echo or silence. Once done, enable Do Not Disturb or mute notifications for a focused session. This avoids pop-ups during screen sharing. Now position windows. Call controls on one screen or one side, Chrome content on the other, so switching is immediate and reliable. You now share content without exposing private info. Select the Meeting Apps option to share a Chrome window or a single tab. Choose Tab Share for audio when playing media. Before you click Share, close or hide sensitive tabs and mute noisy sites. Pin the tab you'll present to keep it visible. Once shared, navigate using the address bar and keyboard shortcuts. Alt+Tab on Windows or Command+Tab on Mac for quick context switches, so you can keep the conversation flowing and avoid awkward pauses. You finish cleanly by explicitly stopping screen share, then confirm whether your mic or camera should stay on. Turn them off for privacy if not needed. End the call from the meeting controls, don't just close a tab. If something goes wrong, try quick fixes. Toggle mute, reselect input/output in Chrome settings, or refresh the shared tab. If audio still fails, restart the browser or rejoin the meeting. These steps usually restore proper device assignment and clear temporary glitches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.